Alright, I figured I'd make a quick video. The air conditioner is running in the house. This is my house in Alabama, so just a farmhouse. Over here I got a little Gold Star fan and cheap Lasco fan, old washer and dryer. These are the ones I had before the new ones came. Over here I got the Frigidaire 12,000 BTU air conditioner. It puts out pretty cold air. It works pretty well. It's been fairly new, but it's doing its job. It's got a rotary compressor on it. Got old Lasco fan in here and a little KMC Tatung. They're both 12 inches. That one's oscillating. This one does oscillate, but I don't have it oscillating. I have the Galaxy box fan here as well. I fixed it and it works pretty well now. Turn it off though. And here I have the 18,000 BTU Frigidaire, which puts out really cold air right now. R22, rotary compressor, not a reciprocating. It works pretty well. Actually, it's a 18,500 BTU. But it's putting out nice cold air, working pretty well. The compressor's made in Korea, so it's probably, and the compressor's not made in China, so it's kind of promising for it to last a little longer. Now I'll go show it from the outside. Just ignore that, that's my retarded cousin. It's not really worth much time to talk about that. So here's the Gold Star. It's off right now. Go and turn it on and get the workshop cool. 5,000 BTU rotary compressor. It's a pretty small unit. Still works okay though. Kind of need little ones like this. For like just a single room, it's a good idea to use them. Just to slide on the chair. It works pretty well for what it is. It's not really putting out cold air yet, but it takes some time for it to get cold because it's kind of low on a charge. If I turn the fan off, it'll just start putting out ice because it won't put out ice, but the coals will get iced up because it's just low on refrigerant, and there's nothing you can really do about it except replace it because it's illegal to charge that little thing. And here it is out in the back. It's got an LG compressor because LG's part of, they were originally what, well, excuse me, they were originally Gold Star and then they became LG. It's a pretty quiet unit. It's 5,000 BTUs though. A little rotary compressor in there. The workshop doesn't have an AC unit, it's just open. Only the office area does. Over here I have the Wards and I have this 12,000 BTU fetters, which is made in China and doesn't work. I have no idea what's wrong with it. Eventually I'll look into it and see what's wrong with it. The Wards, the compressor works fine. got a lot of refrigerant. It gets really cold over here, really hot over there, but the fan's dead. And eventually I'll take this home and get it working, because it's a nice unit. It's from the 70s, but it doesn't run. Well, the fan doesn't run. Compressor does. Compressor works really well. Got a big reciprocating compressor on it. It's really loud, but it's a 20,000 BTU. The biggest window unit I got. And here's the 12,000 BTU refrigerator from the outside. Put out some pretty hot air. It works pretty well. There's a little rotary compressor in there. It's a 12,000 BTU. It's pretty quiet, but it does make some noise. You can definitely tell it's running in the cool mode, because you can hear that sound over the fan. There's the 18,000 BTU Frigidaire outside. Definitely feel the air. It's got some hot. It's not that hot air coming out, but it's hot enough you can kind of feel it. And the compressor's off right now. Yeah, it's off. It's not running. But it's a rotary compressor, even though it's an 18,500 BTU. It's pretty big for a rotary, but it works pretty well, honestly, for what it is. I mean, it's no comparison for that 20,000 BTU Ward to the reciprocating compressor, but it does work pretty well for, well, I mean, actually the unit's made in China, I think, but the compressor's made in Korea. That's really the biggest thing on an air conditioner that can fail to be a compressor. But, I mean, at least it still works, and that's just a quick video. Well, it's not that quick anymore, but I'm just, I mean, it's kind of a long video over just my air conditioners and a couple fans. Anyways, hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Take care. Hopefully you'll have a great night.